Hey there friends, I am really excited to introduce you to the August 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. First, let's take a look at this beautiful kit. Okay, right away, once I see the die cuts, I know I'm going to love this kit. And to be honest with you, August is usually my favorite kit of the year. There's something about it that I always just love. Maybe it's kind of a back to school feel, a learning feel. The color scheme is always awesome because it's kind of a mix between summer and fall, and this one is no exception. I really love all the yellow that I'm seeing here. I love the teal, I love the dark green, and I really love the fuchsia. So I'm really excited about this kit. I especially love these color combinations here, the warm and cools. There's some flags, there's a tab, rest and relax, soaking up these days, in A+. Circles, I'm going to miss this the most. That's a fun one. Last day of summer. Favorite, whoa. So very proud of your story. The story starts here, rise and shine. So lots of really cool die cuts in this month's kit. Let's take a look at the 4x6s, and then we'll get to the 3x4s. So there are 3 4x6s. I really love this one, that composition notebook feel. Who doesn't love a nice clean composition notebook? A nice grid in teal. And this great highlights one. This is a great one for listing, right? So you could do a little 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stamping there, add your journaling. So it's a really great one. Take a look at this one. I think this is going to be the favorite tag, the favorite 3x4 for a lot of us this month. Look at those beautiful colors. Book review, more details please, in coral. Green with script writing, which, you know, they're still learning that in school, so we have to have it on some tags. This is a really gorgeous tag because it kind of brings in those fall vibes there with that mustardy color, and I'm really digging that one. Note to self, remember these special moments. This was awesome in yellow. 1, 2, 3. Really excited about that. Green, a light mint color. It's that time of year again. That's a really good one. These pretty stars. Look at that color scheme again, you guys. Those books on a shelf. It's a good day to have a good day, so really positive vibes. Would be a great lunchbox card for the first day. Best friends, always together having fun. Fuchsia. Blue stars. A good book, weekend notes, Saturday and Sunday, and then a yellow composition. Oh my goodness, I love that one too. So that is the August monthly kit. Now let's take a look at the add-ons that coordinate. Okay, our first add-on this month is the 4x6 inch basic grid journaling tags, and they are just what they say. They're 4x6 inches and different kinds of grids. So you have boxes. There's 7 boxes here across the entire 4x6. You have a gray grid, and then you have a ledger here. So you have 3 of each for a total of 9 tags in this pack, and these are just really good for using as your bases. You can embellish on top. You can use these for a title, for long journaling. They're just kind of a staple in the store. Next up, we have the August labels and all of those beautiful colors, and they look like notebook lined paper. I just love that extra touch there. We also have new notebook die cut shapes. Take a look at these. There's a huge pack of these, as usual, in our die cuts. There are stars, large, medium, small. Hearts, large, medium, and small. There are labels, so these long ones, short ones, and kind of like fatter ones with the notched edges. There are circles, large and small. Oh, and there's a medium-sized label. And then there are shipping tags. So you get all of these notebook die cut shapes in one pack. Again, these are great for adding journaling, for layering. I just love using them as a bottom layer on my embellishment groupings. They're really fun. Next we have the stickers, and these are the Fuchsia Jane Alphabet cardstock stickers. So our perfect Jane Alpha now available in a beautiful fuchsia. We also have another staple alpha in the shop this month. These are the Jane Tile Alphabet cardstock stickers in teal. So your tile alphas now in teal. And speaking of teal, we also have our label stickers in teal this month too. So all those great usable shapes for journaling, for layering, now available in teal. We also have two more stickers. These are the Lost in a Good Book stickers, and I'm pretty sure that these are going to be like a sellout this month because they're amazing. So this definitely has like a reading, learning feel. So you have kind of like a library due date card. You have currently reading, little things that say up all night reading this. This was on my reading list, a book review sticker. You have books here, glasses, a coffee cup. I just love the colorful coffee cup, the different glasses. These ones are really fun too. So just great color scheme that goes along with the kit, and it has that fun reading theme here. We also have the This Rated stickers, and you could use these for anything, for movies, for books, any kind of list you want to make. You have 1 star all the way to 5 star, and you have 5 of each. So, 4 of each star, 5 stars, so for 20 total. So that's a really fun sticker that you can add to your projects this month. We also have 2 new stamps. This is a good book stamp. We're definitely on the book theme this month. So if you want to have those awesome book images now in a stamp, you can stamp them in any color that you wish. You have those here. You have the bookmarks, you have the shelf there. You can create your own shelf filled with books. You have your currently reading label, the rating label, the blank pages read, a good book, circles, book of the month, book of the week, time to relax and read. So this is a really great stamp if you are a reader, an avid reader, and want to document your books. We also have another popular tab stamp. I love our tab stamps. They're so good, and this is the school tab stamp. I'm really excited about using this one for my daughter's school journey. There's so many different grades on here. The reading, writing, science, field trip, friends, winter break, spring break, first day of school, last day of school. You have 2 different tabs here. So just a really awesome stamp if you have some school memories you want to record. Last but not least, we have the attacher metal die. So this is the great die to use if you want to attach something to your album, to your traveler's notebook, and you can, cut these out and attach whatever you want to attach into your notebook here with some adhesive. It's really fun to add little bits into your albums, into your traveler's notebooks, things that might not go in a pocket, or maybe you don't have a pocket and you want to just slip them into the notebook. So these are the attacher metal dies. Thanks so much for joining me as we unbox the August 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio. I really love this kit and all of those awesome add-ons. I'm really excited about the colors and that reading theme that runs throughout the products this month. I hope you'll take a look at them in the link in my video notes, and be sure to learn more about starting a subscription so that you can get special perks like bundled shipping, product discounts, and free digitals. Thanks so much for watching today, you guys, and I hope you'll subscribe for more. Happy creating with your August 2022 monthly kit and add-ons from Elle Studio.